Hello friends, welcome to the final video of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to integrate payment methods, direct bank transfer and pay with check. Okay, so these two payment methods are pending that we are going to do. Okay, so you can see the checkout page. So here are the payment methods. So we have already done cash on delivery as well as the PayPal. See, this is the duplicate PayPal that we are going to remove, and we are going to work on direct bank transfer and pay with check. So let's start. Let's open the checkout blade file. So here first of all we are going to remove one of the PayPal account that we are not required. See here its value is PayPal, and after that here also its value is PayPal. Okay, you can choose any of the, like you can remove one of the PayPal, like if you want to remove this one, then you can remove, or you can remove this one as well. Okay, it's your choice. So I'm going to remove this last one. So I will completely remove its yeah, here radio box. Okay, I'm going to check. Okay, this when you click place order below, we will take you to paper side to make. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, this service. This one I can remove because here is some wording is also there. Okay, so it looks better. So I'm going to remove this one. Here, make sure the value is PayPal for this one as well. Value is PayPal. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so now we are left with cash on delivery, direct bank transfer, pay with check and PayPal. Okay, so we are going to work on direct bank transfer and pay with check. See, both are the prepaid methods. Okay, we are going to take it as prepaid method, but in both methods the customer is going to make the payment. Here customer is going to do the bank transfer, and here customer is going to issue the check. Customer is going to submit the check, or you can say the send the check uh, to the address that we are going to show in the thanks page, and here also we are going to show the bank details in the thanks page. Okay, so in the both the methods, the owner, the website owner or shopkeeper, retailer, okay, will receive the payment after few days of the order placement. Okay, and after he receive the payment, after that he is going to process that order. Okay, so here you can see the direct bank transfer. In direct bank transfer we have added the value as bank transfer, and in pay with check we have added the value as check. Okay, so after this, let's follow the instruction that you can find under video. So see, in both direct bank transfer and pay with check, order will be placed as pending. Okay, so we are going to make it status as pending initially. Okay, which will later be manually updated to payment captured by admin when payment received from the customer. Okay, so whenever the admin gets the payment, then the owner, the admin of the website is going to make the payment captured. Okay, so we will display the client website owner account details on the order thanks page where the customer transfer the payment, and the client address where the check must be sent in case of payment by check. Okay, so in the checkout blade file, see, with that we have already done, and after that we are going to modify the checkout function. We are going to open the product controller and add front and open the checkout function, and here we are going to consider this post method in which we are going to place the order. So here you can see that now see, first thing is that we are going to update the status. Status will be prepaid pending both for bank transfer as well as for check. Okay, so I'm going to modify this one with this one. Okay, so here now we have the four payment methods. See, three payment methods. One is COD, bank transfer, check, and the fourth one, see, whatever it is, we are going to consider it as prepaid as well as the pending. Okay, prepaid pending. Okay, so see, in case of PayPal as well, we are going to consider it as prepaid pending. We can also do it like this, like in case of PayPal as well, we are going to take it as prepaid pending, and else whatever the in future the payment methods that we are going to add, we are going to consider it as prepaid pending, because there is only one type of COD, rest all are prepaid and pending. Okay, so other condition that we are going to update is reduce stock script. Okay, so this script is not only for in case of COD, but we are going to treat it in all cases like bank transfer as well as the check. Okay, so we are going to update this condition like this. And email also, we are going to send the email not only for COD, but we will also send the email, order email, to the user if the payment gateway is COD or bank transfer or check. Okay, in all the cases we are going to send the email to the user. Okay, so and send order email. So after this, here in case of COD we are sending the user to the thanks page. Okay, but we require, yeah, we are going to send the user to the thanks page, but in case of COD we will simply send to the thanks page without any parameter. But in case of bank transfer as well as the check, we are going to send the parameter. Like in case of bank transfer, we are going to send the order equal to bank parameter with thanks page, and in case of check we are going to send as the check parameter. Okay, so these two parameter will help us to display the valuable information that we are going to display in case of bank transfer as well as the check. Okay, so after this, finally we are going to update the thanks blade file. Here everything else will remain the same, and we are going to update the thanks page file, in which we are going to modify the content. Okay, we are going to show, we are going to add two condition. One is for pay with check, and other one is for the bank. Okay, so here you can see if the order is check. Okay, then we are going to see, we are sending the parameter at the top. If that parameter order is check, then we are going to show its this detail, please send your check of amount itna to below address. Okay, so that details we are going to show in case of check. And in case of bank, we are going to show this detail, like please transfer amount INR this much to below bank account, that is account holder name is this one, bank name is this one, IFSC code is this one. Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to take. Okay, we have modified this code and we are going to test it right now straight away. See, first I am going to test the direct bank transfer. Okay, I'm going to select this one, so I will agree to terms and condition, and now it must show the thanks page with the bank details where the user can deposit the amount. Okay, so I'm going to click on the place order. See, it will send the email as well, and see, it has reached the thanks page, but it is not showing the details that we want. So we need to see why it is not displaying that, because here we are having this redirect thanks, so that's why. Okay, so that's why it is showing it like this. We are going to cut off from here, and we are going to paste this one here. Okay, so that it will work fine. Now it must work fine. Okay, so let's see. I'm going back to the card page and going to add the products are gone away, so there is some issue. We need to move that redirect option uh, upwards to resolve the issue, and here we are going to add one of the product, and we'll go to the card, uh, click on proceed to checkout, and finally we are going to select the direct bank transfer with agree to terms and conditions, click on place order. Let's see. Yes, your order has been placed successfully, and here you can see order equal to bank. Okay, at the top, and here details are coming, your order ID is this much and grand total is this much, please transfer amount this one to below bank account holder name, bank name, IFSC code. Okay, so the complete information, bank details of the website is coming here, so that the customer can make the payment. And once the payment sent by the customer, then the website owner can able to that ship the order, okay, to the user. So this is the pay by bank. Okay, So now the another thing that we are going to check test, that is the another option that is the pay by check. This one is the bank transfer option, and now we are going to check the pay by check option. Okay, so once again I'm going to add one of the product here, view card, go to the checkout page, and now we're going to test that that option, pay with check option this time. So I'm going to select the pay with check, agree to terms and conditions, click on place order. Let's see if the thanks page will come according to the pay with check. Yes, here you can see the order is equal to check at the top, and based on this condition we are showing the valuable information like please send your check of amount INR this one to below address sidemakers.in CP New Delhi, Delhi, India, check name sidemakers. Okay, so the complete information that the customer is required to fill on the check is coming now, and the customer is just required to update that information and will send that check to the owner of the website in these details. This is the detail that where the customer is required to post the check, and once the client will receive the check, then he is going to process the order. Okay, so these are the payment methods, other payment methods that we have done. So now we are going to close this series, and please do subscribe the channel for more updates for new series and for the Laravel 12 series as well, that we're going to start very soon. And please join the channel to get the complete source code, not only this one source code of not only this series, but the many more series that we have done. We have done the multi-vendor e-commerce series, we have done the advanced Laravel e-commerce series. Okay, so we have done the React.js e-commerce series, React web app e-commerce series. Okay, Laravel API series. So there are many series that you can find in this playlist. Okay, you will get the source code of so many series that are really helpful for you. You can able to make any kind of website once you will get the source code of these websites, okay, that we have done so far in the last few years. Okay, so you can join as a member to get the complete source code of all these series that we have done so far. Okay, including the multi-vendor e-commerce. So I hope that you like this playlist as well, in which you have learned the MongoDB, and very soon we are going to bring up the new series, and hope that you will follow again. Once again, thank you so much for watching this series, and have a good luck. Thank you once again. Goodbye.